All right, in this last problem here, we want the seventh term in a binomial expansion. So we don't have to expand the whole thing. We have a formula for it. So the formula is n and then r minus 1. And then it's going to be the first term, so x, and then we'll say n minus r minus 1. And then it's y to the r minus 1. All right, so in this case, the n is going to be the expansion, so that's 10, and the r is the term you're finding, so that's 7. So if I put this in, this is 10 over 7 minus 1, and that is a combination, so we'll get that in a sec. First term is just x, and then it's 10 minus 7 minus 1, and then the second term is a negative 2y, so I do need to indicate that. And then it is 7 minus 1. So this is 10 and 6. That's combination formula. Okay, so that would be 10C6 is what that's giving to you. So it is 10 factorial over 10 minus 6 factorial, 6 factorial. So what we can do here is you can put that in your calculator, or you can expand that out and work it. It's really simple in your calculator. You come here and you type in 10 and then go math, PRB, and CR, and then 6. 6, yes. You get 210. Okay, so that's going to be the coefficient that we're using here. Okay, so 210. Okay, then we have x to the 10 minus, that's a 6, so that's x to the 4th. And then this is going to be a negative 2y to the 6th. So we just have to work that out here. So this is 210 times x to the 4th times negative 2 to the 6th, y to the 6th. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. The negative 2 I put in parentheses because when I'm raising a negative, I want to make sure I do that. Okay, it becomes a positive 64. So this is 210 times x to the 4th times 64 times y to the 6th. So then we want to do 210 times 64. And we get 13,440. And then we have our x to the 4th, y to the 6th. And that is our seventh term.